Stop eating watermelon just because it tastes good. This summer fruit may be protecting your body in ways most people never realize. When temperatures rise, your kidneys work harder, your heart beats faster, your skin loses moisture, and even your brain can start slowing down. But one simple fruit may help support all of them. Today, I'll show you the ultimate watermelon hydration hacks your organs will love. Most people think dehydration simply means being thirsty. Not even close. By the time you're thirsty, hack number 1, the kidney boost. Your body may already be struggling. Your kidneys have to concentrate waste using less water. Your heart works harder to circulate blood and cool your body. Your skin loses moisture faster. And your brain may respond with fatigue, headaches, poor focus, and brain fog. Here's something even fewer people know. Sometimes drinking plain water isn't enough. When you sweat heavily, you also lose electrolytes that help your cells stay hydrated. That's why eating water-rich foods can become one of the smartest summer habits. And watermelon is one of the best. Let's start with your kidneys. Watermelon is over 90% water. That alone helps maintain hydration, which supports your kidneys' normal job of filtering waste. Hack number 2, your heart's summer ally. Watermelon also contains an amino acid called citrulline. Your body converts citrulline into arginine, which helps produce nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes blood vessels and supports healthy circulation. Good circulation helps deliver oxygen and nutrients throughout your body, including your kidneys. Try this simple summer drink. Blend fresh watermelon juice of 1 lime, a few mint leaves, serve over ice. Refreshing, hydrating, and your kidneys will thank you. Hack number 3, don't throw this away. Now let's talk about your heart. During hot weather, your heart has to pump more blood toward your skin to release heat. That's extra work. Watermelon contains lycopene, the same powerful antioxidant that many people know supports healthy skin. But lycopene also helps protect blood vessels from oxidative stress and supports overall cardiovascular health. Combined with watermelon's high water content, it becomes an excellent summer food for helping your heart perform at its best. Here's the mistake almost everyone makes. Hack number 4, the ultimate hydration mocktail. They throw away the white rind. Big mistake. That white section actually contains even more citrulline than the red flesh. It's also a source of fiber. Try adding a few pieces to your morning smoothie with cucumber, apple, and ginger. You probably won't even taste it, but your body will appreciate the extra nutrients. And don't forget the seeds. They're rich in minerals like magnesium, healthy fats, and plant protein. Just roast them for a crunchy snack, instead of sugary sports drinks. Make this natural hydration mocktail. Blend together 2 cups watermelon juice of 1 lemon, a pinch of sea salt, fresh mint, optional, sparkling water. This combination gives you water, natural fruit sugars, electrolytes, and refreshing flavor without artificial ingredients. Perfect after working outside, walking, gardening, or simply surviving a hot summer day. If you learned something new today, comment "hydrate" below. I'll send you my favorite 5 summer hydration recipes that support your organs naturally. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more simple foods that help your body stay healthy from the inside out, and watch the next video on your screen because your organs will love that one too.